Hello, I'm Oriel. The topic I want to share today is digital twin data management for IC packaging molding process. The content include the advanced packaging materials and design optimization technology for semiconductors.
确定手深度。那你的，因为我刚刚找到有一个把声给关掉了，就是你这边想一下，有关键继续互动。你这个。
Okay, so the content we are going to share today is divided into two parts. First, we need to use the concept of digital twin to realize how the manufacturing side can realize the function display of digital twin through the services and product functions provided by Modex 3D. In the second part, we will demonstrate an example of automated molding simulation and knowledge management system to achieve the integration of IC packaging molding simulations. This part will combine our two products, Modex 3D ISLM and Modex 3D IC packaging to achieve such a technical system. In the first part, we will go through not only the services of process simulation tool provided in the past, but also the complete material measurement services from fluid state to solid state. Of course, the two complement can combine each other to construct a complete digital twin concept to drive smart manufacturing concept. Many car parts are produced by injection molding process. Actually, not only auto parts, there are also many products made by injection molding in the world. Injection molding is a manufacturing process for producing parts by injecting molten material into a mold. It looks very easy, but most people in this field understand the complexity of success injection molding much more than you can imagine, due to various properties of plastic material and various conditions of molding process. During the injection molding process, you may meet problems such as parts deformation, structural weakness, warpage, shrinkage, parting lines, voids, air traps, and more. Some molding defects may be difficult or costly to address. Others can be prevented by adjusting the molding process